Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by naming the top 3 outcomes you need. This frames every choice. Once done, assign a realistic time block to each item so you avoid overruns. Make sure to note any documents or data you'll need and who must decide. You won't waste time on obvious setup. Instead, open the agenda with objectives, timing, and owners. This immediate structure guides participants and sets expectations, so you start focused and productive from minute 1. You keep the meeting moving by following the time blocks and signaling transitions. A visible timer helps everyone stay honest. When side discussions arise, write them in a parking lot so the group stays focused. Once an item starts, ask the owner to state the decision needed, discuss briefly, then confirm the next action and deadline. This disciplined flow avoids drift, makes trade-offs explicit, and ensures the agenda drives outcomes rather than simply recording conversation. You finish by summarizing every decision, the assigned owner, and the due date so there is no ambiguity. Once done, distribute concise minutes within 24 hours and attach any referenced files. This keeps momentum. If you hit a snag, no quorum or unclear outcomes, make sure to reschedule promptly and flag items that need more prep. One key tip: when discussion stalls, force a simple decision. Proceed, table, or assign research. This prevents endless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.